What's up, everybody? CJ here with Fins to Fur Adventures, and we have a special one coming for you. The squirrel apocalypse. The deer have proven just unmatchable, so I've switched gears, and we're going to try it at home. We're going to try to catch some squirrels with the old Slockmaster Blowgun. So, stick with me, root for me, let's see what happens. These squirrels have been terrorizing this bird feeder for over a year now, keeping birds from getting their nourishment that they need to make it through the winter. So unfortunately, we probably had some birds didn't get healthy enough for the winter. Winter's here, but we have a solution. It's the Slockmaster Blowgun. Hopefully, we can find some targets, because they are plentiful. We got the netting, Slockmaster blowpipe. Got my camera tripod right there. Got me some holes cut out. Got me some pink string going across to hold up into my barrel. And yes, I am under the kids' playhouse. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Well, this squirrel apocalypse is not any easier than deer hunting. This is the whole reason for the squirrel apocalypse. Save the birds, feed. So, I love watching my little doves, my red birds, cardinals, whatever you want to call them. Me and the wife out here in the backyard, hunting grounds, blood trailing a squirrel. Look back on the video and I definitely got into his chest, but we found the what would you call that little piece, the little cup part of the dart?
What would you call it on an arrow?
It's not fletchings, so
Same
it's probably
thing.
It's like the little cup where it catches air. Anyway, found that it's got blood on it, and I figured I got into him, but I can't find no more blood, so I don't know how well that little baby squirrel bleeds. So I say a baby squirrel is a cat squirrel, big as I get, but I definitely got him. I'm gonna check tomorrow when it's good daylight, because my kids like to run the batteries out of the flashlight. So, but anyway, that's what we're doing right now in 50-degree weather, trying to find a squirrel. Well, this squirrel apocalypse is not any easier than deer hunting. So, just to say, I didn't find any squirrels. Bad hunter. I guess I'm just a firewood gatherer in past life, because assumingly hunting ain't my thing. But I'm gonna keep at it. I'm gonna keep trying. But yeah, goose egg on the squirrels. Did hit a few, but hey, you lose them all, I guess. I can't say I win some and lose some. Well, that's all I got for this week. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully next time we might get to eat a few. Thank y'all for watching again.